Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we bring to you the wizarding world of Harry Potter, and I went to the newsagents recently because I had to pick some issues up, and I thought, well, the works is, opposite the newsagents. I'll go in there and see what they've got on offer. So I came across this, which was the wizarding world of Harry Potter, and it's paint with diamonds. Now the funny thing is, I went in there looking for the crest. They've got one that's a crest on the works, and I came out with a train accidentally. I didn't even realise until I got home, but I can't find the train on the website, so it makes me think that perhaps the shops have a different range. They have told me previously that the shops tend to have a different range to online, but they have a much bigger range in the shops. But this is £3. We'll take a look inside it. I have previously looked at this on my other channel, but as you can see, you've got a colour to the key to the bead positions there. So you've got grey, green, red, probably browny gold, blue, and then a yellow there. And in here, it is what we call as you can see, that's it in there. It is what we call a partial. Now, the problem is with this is, if you look, I've never, ever, ever had a painting where the border's been cut off. So this has the border cut off it. I've got to be honest with you, I'm not liking the way that the border's been cut off. However, it is a partial and it looks really lovely. So we can see that the smoke is all drilled. This bit here isn't. And then obviously down here you've got the train that's drilled. The writing doesn't look like it's drilled, and then the black. But what's really nice is they've actually drilled the bridge for you, so you get a bit of the bridge. Really nice. I think it's a 30 times 30, possibly. It doesn't really say on here. But that's the painting itself. So nice quick partial one. I love Harry Potter. People that know me know that I absolutely am a massive Harry Potter fan. And yeah, I actually... I'm going to get the crust as well, so I can't wait to get that. So if you want to get this, it is from the works. As you can see, it's only £3 at the moment. And make sure you get yourself a Together Rewards points card, and you can get points, and then every so often they will convert them into vouchers that you can spend off a product. What's lovely about this painting is we have, I've been talking about I want a different colour tray. Well, I'm not going to be parting with this, because this tray... it doesn't come with bags, but you've actually got the engraving of the word Harry Potter on the pen. It's a lovely pen, and I'm going to keep that because I quite like the fact that it's a different colour. We've got a much larger square of racks, which looks really lovely. And look, we've got this sort of goldy brown sort of tray. Now, although it's one of the old-fashioned trays, what I mean by that is it doesn't have the spout. If we take a look at this one, for example, you can see that nowadays they come with the spouts. But although it's one of the old ones, which I don't really like, I'm going to keep this because it's a different colour, and I like to work with a different range of colours. So that's the little pen. Really, really happy with that. And then these are the drills themselves. So obviously, as I said before, please, 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 whatever you do not lose the drills with this painting, because if you lose the drills, you're never going to be able to match up which painting it goes with. They don't print the DMC code on them. For example, if we looked at this one here, this is from a different painting I'm working on. It would have the actual code, the DMC code, and then the number of the drill, which is, for example, here it's 3848, and then the DMC code, or whatever code that is. I think the DMC code is the 3848, but this is the number of the painting, 5707T. If you look on these ones, they don't come with that. So my advice to you would be only kit this up when you know you're definitely going to use it. Or what you could do, what I tend to do, is put a little sticker on saying Harry Potter along there, so I know which one it is. So for example, if I get my sheet of stickers, I will write Hogwarts, and then I'll put train. So that way I know that this painting is in reference to the actual Hogwarts train. Okay, so that's a different, easy way, is what you could do. But we've got some really lovely colours. We've got this browny sort of gold colour. We've got a black, a yellow, a red, a grey, and a light blue. Very lovely colour that is. I used to have a room in that colour. I think it was called baby blue or something like that. Because there's another one called African Daisy, but I really like this. I can't wait to get started on this. I do have some other Harry Potter themes. I tend to work on Harry Potter in September sort of time, but that might change. It's a nice little short project there. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you want to get this for yourself. Once again, it is available in the works. When I looked online, you can have a look online, but I didn't find it online. But if I can't put the link of it in the system, I'll put some links as to the other ones that they do. As I said, they do a Crest one as well with Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, and I can't remember the other one. But yeah, nice little project there, and it's also a stocking filler. You know, you could buy this for a gift, you could buy it for a birthday present, buy it for a Christmas present. It just makes a lovely, lovely gift, and I really can't wait to get started on that. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell, and you'll be notified of any further videos that I do. And until next time, I'll see you later, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.